The topic for today is how to select keywords. As I told you in the previous video, we'll be studying keywords in detail, all the aspects related to these. But before moving further, let us recall what are keywords. Now students, if you have gone so far in this course, then you must know the term. But in case you want to revise that, let us do that once again. Keywords are basically the words that we use to find something at search engine. Any word that you type at search engine, say Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc., anything, this is what called a keyword. Now let us begin our journey to select keywords. Foremost of all, the words that you select must provide solution. In order to get huge traffic, you must rank at the top of any search engine. Let's talk about Google. This is irrespective of product or service that you deal with. Why the visitor is searching you? The visitor is searching you to get solution, to get answer to his question, or to find something related to what he is searching for. If you are providing the solution to your visitor, solution to your reader, if I talk about blogs or articles, then definitely you are going to get more and more traffic and people will be engaged at your website. But for that, the most important thing that you must keep in your mind is keyword research. This is really an important thing to do. Now let us understand it with the help of an example. Simply go to Google and write down something, let's say how to wash straight long hair. I'm just taking a random example. So once I search for it, I get different kinds of links, different videos. Here I am seeing a video clip from YouTube. If I scroll down, there are different kinds of links. The top link is from WikiHow. It is answering me how to wash long hair 14 steps with pictures. Good enough. A good heading that is actually attracting me to read. Now if I scroll down, there are different other options. 3 ways to wash your hair. This is also from WikiHow. On moving further, I still have different kinds of links. Now, let us do some change. In place of how to wash, now I am going to write straight long hair care. Simple. Now see, there are ample, or I would say huge number of searches for this keyword that I have written, straight long hair care. Since the searches are more, then definitely I'll be getting more number of web links, more number of websites, as you can see at your screen. Now students, if I deal with something which is related to beauty segment, then I have to post a separate post for this. Now what thing I should keep in mind is, I should keep in mind to take the keywords that the user actually search. Now being a visitor, my purpose was I wanted to know about straight long hair care. So I simply typed straight long hair care. But if you are writing a blog something related to straight hair and you are just giving the title as straight hair, again a generic word, it will lead you to nowhere. It is completely a wastage of time. So therefore, use the keywords which are related to your product, related to your service, and create the post, create channels if you have any, using those correct keywords only. If the keywords are correct, then visitors will surely come to your website. They will see the content. In case you are selling something, they'll definitely be interested for buying whatever products you are selling. So students, select the keyword very nicely, but for that you need to do a proper research. Even if you look at the options that are currently displayed at your StudyKosh screen, WikiHow has given a very nice title, how to maintain long hair. Now students see, WikiHow has not given the title as straight long hair or straight hair. It is saying how to maintain long hair, and see students, this is exactly grabbing my attention. If you see the third option, 8 care tips for naturally straight hair, official US Hairfinity. Now see students, what I'm going to know is, I'm knowing that this is an official website, this is an official US website I would say, and the most important thing is they are going to give me 8 tips for naturally straight hair. I'll be interested to go for it. Now what is my purpose to discuss these options in front of you? What hair care has to do with SEO? Students, hair care has to do nothing with SEO, but the keywords have to do a lot with SEO. If you select the correct keywords, if you find the correct keywords for your post, then only you can get organic traffic. Now students, you will be amazed to know the traffic that we get from search engines. Let's talk about Google only. If I click on wikihow.com that says how to maintain long hair 14 steps with pictures, if I click on that, go to their website, spend some time over there. So WikiHow is getting a visitor. Similarly, when a visitor comes to your website, go through your website, read your post, read your articles, see your pages, spend some time over there, you are getting traffic. That too, organic traffic. Now students, organic traffic I have already discussed with you, but what I want to tell is the traffic that you get this way at your website is totally free. You need not to pay anything for the advertisement, you need not to pay anything for any purpose. What you need to do is just play with the words very nicely. Now it's the time to hit the bullseye. Today we learned that keywords play a very significant role in SEO. Your keywords, your titles must be so that you provide solutions. Your content should be so that you give answer to the visitor's question. Shuffling the words, trying new things, getting the right ones is the key to success. So now you might know that how important it is to select the right kind of keywords and how important is to try new things, recent things. This was all about for today. In the coming video, we are going to begin with what are the various types of SEO. That video will not be covered in one segment only. We have two different segments for that, in which we'll be studying about different types of SEO, giving you the glimpses, black hat SEO, white hat SEO, on page, off page. We are going to study all these things in the coming videos. So there's a lot more to come. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep practicing.